To me for surviving another day in an office full of idiots.
Yeah, cheers! You and your 3 bottles of liquid therapy.
You don't talk.
Neither does your liver anymore, but here we are.
Cuckoo, cuckoo, you're wasting your life. Oh, shut it. Nobody asked for therapy hour.
Something louder than you when you are drunk.
Tick tock, Jane. Another night wasted. Another year closer to being buried in dirt.
Wow. Even my clock's on my mom's side now.
Honestly, she has a point. And Mom brings pie and leaves it on the counter where I can reach it when she insults you.
Whose side are you on?
The side with cherry. No apple.
No.
Key lime.
I've had enough. You stupid bird. I pay rent here, not you.
You pay me in time, and I'm cashing in.
Did the room just spin or age in reverse?
Cool. Maybe you'll forget about how horrible your ex was and call him back. I always liked him. He would order nachos and then drop them.
He was toxic.
He also had to deal with the drunk, toxic version of you, too.
Stop messing with me. I'll rip your little wooden head off.
Try it, Jane. Without me, you'll never know how much time you've wasted.
Finally, peace.
You know it's still midnight, right? You didn't stop time. You just broke the only thing keeping track of it.
Pour me another.
Can you pretend to spill some so I can lap it up?